Each of the 5 high desert communities benefit when a new business locates to the high desert. They work together to promote the entire region.
What we do is recognize similar goals and similarities, and we group together and we market ourselves as a region as opposed to individual cities. The large population that we have as the entire high desert really speaks well to retailers and their ability to succeed here. So we have great retail growth. We have a large restaurant row that is still currently under development. The latest addition to that is Cracker Barrel that will be opening in the first quarter of 2018. We have an industrial park, Foxborough Industrial Park, that still has ample land available for industrial development that can be rail served.
Some of the other advantages that we have here in Hesperia in particular is the fact that we have 17 miles of actual freeway frontage if you look at both the east and west side of the I-15 freeway. And that freeway actually has well over 200,000 cars per day.
The business environment in the high desert is success-oriented.
We have so many opportunities right now. Aldi in Hesperia, Big Lots in Apple Valley, Cracker Barrel in Victorville, and other establishments. What we're really seeing is success begets success, and that opportunity is really showing other vendors and retailers and even commercial industrial organizations that this is a location that they can really establish a business in and be successful.
With over 33,000 residents and a community college offering vocational skills training for future workforce development, Barstow is on the threshold of becoming one of the premier locations for logistics, manufacturing, and distribution hubs in the high desert. In addition, 2 industrial parks are ready for development.
We've got a lot of open space, a lot of reasonable land prices. When we put in the grade separation, we also put in everything up to the industrial park: water, sewage, electricity, and gas. So it's all ready to go. Anybody interested in it now has a better advantage to hook up because it comes up to the property line.
Apple Valley is only 25% built out, which means that we have 75% of our land here in Apple Valley not yet fully developed.
Apple Valley ranks as one of California's best cities for doing business. One reason is their transparent, streamlined permit process.
In Apple Valley, we help make the process smooth and as painless as possible. Town staff that is very supportive of business. We look for ways to streamline both the entitlement and the permit process. In many cases, my department in economic development acts as a concierge, making sure that people know where they're going and that they can get there as quickly as possible.
The reason you should do business in the city of Adelanto is because we are truly the city of unlimited possibilities. When you come into one of our departments, you're going to be treated with professionalism and excellent customer service.
We're still small enough that you get all of us at once. You get planning, you get building, you get all of that right there that'll walk you through what you're going to need.
The Chambers of Commerce in the high desert start with a regional type outlook for the business community.
As a region of 442,000 people, the high desert of California is the 8th largest area in the state of California. There really is a need in value in bringing together regional representation within the business community to be able to help those citizens and the members of our chambers.
We're kind of an interesting community in that we are small communities, all of these small communities within still a small community. So to create a voice for ourselves, I think it's great for all of us to work together and be able to create something where we are bringing our issues, bringing high desert issues to the rest of the state.
We see our role as a regional chamber to make sure that we are listening to our chamber members to figure out what is best in terms of their operating environment, in terms of helping them to strengthen their business, to market their business, to ensure that we're doing a good job of making sure that the rest of the communities outside of this region understand what's possible within the Victor Valley. Like monthly, if you look at our Valley Morning Insight, it's our regional breakfast meeting. So you'll see it's not just one city, it's not one locale. It's really all locales kind of coming together, being able to collaborate, being able to network, being able to foster those relationships. If you're a business and you're interested in moving to the Victor Valley, first thing we're going to actually encourage you to do is obviously become a member of the Victor Valley Chamber and actually do a lot of hand-holding with you so that way you can meet key people, you know, to help your business flourish, to understand, you know, who are the stakeholders that you need to have those strong relationships with, help you navigate that landscape.
Each chamber continues their support of business on a community level.
The business of the Chamber of Commerce is to support business and to help businesses collaborate with other stakeholders throughout that community.
Our job as a chamber is to be a catalyst for the growth of businesses, a convener for leaders and influencers, and a champion for stronger communities. So we believe that a strong business community equates to a strong community, and are really proud and excited to be an advocate for our businesses.
And so as these new businesses are coming in, we want to help them be a voice in the high desert, to let people know they're here, they're hiring, and the great work that they're doing in our community so that they can be part of it and experience growth within their own industry.
Individually and collectively, the Chambers of Commerce work to help business thrive in the high desert.